procedural part is there. So, you will do that registration, examination will be there, examination related like the proceedings will be there, and then there will be the registration actually. And after registration, renewal part is there. Yes, renewal part is there in trademark also, and renewal part is there in industrial design also. What is the life of trademark? After how many years you can renew it, and how many times, just check out. And also for industrial design, you are doing renewal, and how many times and how many years, you just find out that thing. Okay. So, this industrial design renewal related procedural part is there. Here timeline is very important. If that grace period also if you cross, then that goes into the public domain. So, that part is very important, that renewation actually. Okay. And then if unfortunately infringement litigation if initiated, then you have to comply, and then you have to respond to that particular action also, right. So, design application, renewal, then examination, then registration, and if unfortunate event there may be litigation. So, litigation related proceedings will be there.